With deep well of knowledge, years of experience, and highly intuitive coaching style, Coach Sam creates an environment that inspires clarity, growth, and real change. One of the most powerful aspects of the program was knowing my baselines. This foundational step helped me understand myself on a deeper level and empowered me to make decisions aligned with my true self. It was a game changer in how I assess situations and navigate life. The concept of reloading and reprogramming new codes was eye-opening. It taught me to become more conscious of my thoughts and internal dialogue, enabling a powerful shift from limiting beliefs to empowering mindsets. Transforming from N codes to E codes helped me break through personal obstacles and overcome long-held apprehensions. It was a breakthrough that reshaped how I respond to challenges. Additionally, the focus on defining outcomes, filling the calendar, and planning each day with intention has proven to be incredibly effective. These practical tools made my goals feel achievable and keep me consistent and accountable. This program didn't just teach me concepts, it helped me to live them. Highly recommended for anyone ready to discover and become the incredible you.